Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Liberty Creek. On this episode, it's a fast one. I'm just hanging some farmhouse window trim. Jennifer found that particular picture that I popped up in the upper right-hand corner on Pinterest. She sent it to me and said, I want all my windows to look like this. It was not too hard of a task to handle. I needed my table saw, my miter saw, and my 15 gauge finish nailer. I ripped down the pieces, I cut them to length, and I nailed them up. Not a bad job at all. The only difficult part is the window sill itself. You gotta make sure you cut it correctly, do a little math, and have it sit right in there tightly. And that was about it. I started off with framing in the windows, and then I put the trim on. It went quick. This probably took me about an hour to do. Jennifer has me moving outside with all my cut stations because basically she's starting to put the cabin together, put all the fine details on, and she said, I'm so sick and tired of all the sawdust. No more cutting inside. So now I'm outside and I do each cut. I get a lot of exercise, in and out, up and down those steps. And but I got it done. So I'm going to let it play. You'll see me finish it up at the end. Thanks a lot for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Take care, everyone.